HR managers and business owners, if you're still receiving CVs by email and responding to them one by one, you're doing too much work. So I'm going to show you how to automate your entire recruitment process using monday.com, from receiving application, interview, and as well rejection without writing a single line of code. Before I run you through this hack, imagine this: a candidate applies, their details is sent to your system, instantly they receive an email. You don't get to handle anything except interviews. You don't do these things manually, right? Everything is running on the back end. That's not magic. That's the power of automation. Now here's the workflow. We log into monday.com, we create a board and give it a title. It opens as a table. We head over to the form section. The form connects automatically to the table. We think of it as the backend architecture. On the form, we delete irrelevant default fields and add our own. We add an email field because we want to capture that, right? We also add a file field so candidates can attach their CV while filling the form, can rename, title the file field, give it any name. Then we add a long text field on the table for the form, also known as a column. This is for long form inputs, basically. You can rename it, we can call it application later. Yes. Next, we go back to the table on the board, and delete the default status column because we want to create the one that suits our own intention, right? We create our own status column and edit the labels: interview, in view, and rejected. This will drive our automation. We head to automation on the right side of the screen. It opens the template. We select when an item is created to do this. It sends an email, right? We select the email body, use the item name, message. For the recipient, we select the email column on the board. Email acknowledgement setup done. We create the interview invite automation. We select when this happens template and choose when status changes to interview and email is sent. We fill in the email body, choose who it's going to be sent to by selecting the email column and click create. For the rejection email, same process. We select this when this happens template again, choose when status changes to something, select rejected. The email body, send it to the email column and create. Now we go to the form section, copy the form link. Next, we fill the form from the applicant side. I'm using a separate browser. So this form opens, we fill in the details, input address, upload resume and all. Now we head over to the mailbox. You can see, right? Immediately we've received an acknowledgement email. Now, assuming the role of a HR manager, I'm going through submitted applications from the form and I want to make a decision. We head back to the table where everything was set up. I can see the CV application later. Next, I want to invite the interviewer. All I need to do is change that status to the green label I need interview. The automation I created runs. You can see it here. Next, so now the browser mailbox can confirm it, the invite was sent. Great. Okay, great. So we want to send a rejection mail, same process. I change the status column to the rejected label red. The automation runs. We can see it here. Very simple. Very, very simple. You can see this is the email that we've received for the rejection automation that we just sent. So if you're an HR manager or business owner and you're interested in more automation workflow systems, shoot me a follow or drop a comment. I break down this system step by step.